We're filming today on a cruise ship. We're gonna just do this workout anywhere on the boat. Let's run through a full body calisthenics workout. You can do a full body workout in very little time, anywhere you're at, with almost no equipment. We're gonna use 6 basic moves to exercise the entire body. First of all, we're gonna use our pushing chain. This is sort of like a push-up type movement. If you haven't done push-ups before, or you're not good at doing push-ups, or you're out of shape, you might have to start out with the very easiest pushing variation there is, and that would be just leaning up against a wall and pushing off the wall with a wall push-up. That's the very easiest pushing chain movement, and some people might have to start there. As you get better at doing that, which will happen pretty rapidly, you'd move on to an even more difficult move, like doing push-ups on the back of a sofa or on a chair, something that's lower, where your body is more horizontal. Once you've mastered that, you're going to move to a knee push-up. This is a push-up where you're on your knees instead of your toes, and this is a little bit more difficult. Finally, before you graduate to a full push-up on your toes, you might want to do half push-ups. This is where you're on your toes and you go down halfway and then back up again. And the complete push-up is a full body weight push-up all the way to the ground on your toes, and you want perfect form. You want to have your body stiff as a board. You want to almost touch the ground with your nose. You want your chest and your face to touch the ground at the same time. And when you're doing these moves, you can always make them more difficult by just focusing on your form and trying to get your form absolutely perfect.